Hi, this is the Vivo T1 Pro 5G and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the lock screen of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast, correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just hold for a while the scanner and we'll just unlock the device successfully. So you could try this unlock method, but to unlock it you should just hold it for a while. With the simple touch on the scanner you have no chance to unlock your phone. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.